Hey everyone, today we're going on a wildlife walking tour in San Jose, in the middle of the city. So I'm not expecting too much, or we're not expecting too much, but we're also very hopeful. So let's see what we see. Let's go. Okay, so we've just had a look at the first university campus where we've seen some hummingbirds, although I don't think I've got any clips of that. We saw some of the Carpenter Bees, which we would have just seen, and there's a few other things. So next we're heading to the next university campus, where we're hoping to see the thing that's been at the top of my bucket list and the main reason I wanted to visit Costa Rica. So, there's a lot of resting on this for me. This is the reason I did the tour, but we'll see.
Sometimes we act like a fool, not aware we're troublemakers. Sometimes we try to be cool, not being givers, only takers. Stop for a minute, stop and breathe for a minute. Don't get over your head, try to listen instead, won't you? Think for a minute, who you wanna be for a minute. Don't get over your head, you're like everyone else, aren't you? You could gain from being a bit nicer, knowing to talk and when to shut your mouth. You're so moody, always such a fighter. Try to open up your mind sometimes, you'll be just fine.
Okay, so it finally happened. I've got a tick on my Costa Rica bucket list. In fact, it's the only reason we came here, for me anyway at least. But we've just seen our first sloth. Let me show you. It's quite far away, so I don't know what the footage is going to do. I won't do it justice, but let's have a go. You can see its arms and legs hugging a tree, but it's quite camouflage.
It kind of looks like a crocodile.
Are you excited? Yeah. You're going to see if you can get it through your phone. That's so cool. You can kind of see it there and here in the shaky footage. Another angle. But again, it just looks like a bit of a silhouette. Ah, such a shame that you can't get it closer. Maybe there'll be another one we can see, we'll hope. There it is. Ah, I wish I could zoom quicker, further.
You're such a fighter. Try to open up your mind sometimes. You'll be just fine.
Got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way.
The sloth is moving.
We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that we I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know. Every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive.
Okay, so we finished that tour now and it was really good. You would have seen some of the clips of the sloths just before seeing me now. We're going to go out and get some lunch with our new friend to a little vegan place, little pizzeria. So we'll show you what food we get and yeah, see you soon.
It's a miracle that you and I are finally here. I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You will be the last one I think about. The last one I think about.
Into the supermarket we go. Look at the size of this one. That is one of the biggest ants I've ever seen in my life.
My finger that's the size.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Bethan's going to put her finger near it. That was above it. You see how big that is? And now we're home. Okay, so we're back from a really nice morning. First of all, going on that walking tour where we saw you know what, and then we went out for a nice lunch with our new friend from New York, Solomon.
Hi,
really
if you're watching this.
yeah, hi mate. It's really good to meet you, and we'll see you when we go through New York, hopefully. So first of all, the walk. What did you think?
It was just incredible. I loved it. Obviously, we had high expectations of what we were going to see, but when we did, it was just the most amazing thing ever.
Yeah, for me, obviously, one of the main reasons I wanted to visit Costa Rica was to see the wildlife. I mean, you come to Costa Rica for the wildlife, and for me, it was the sloths which were the very top of the list. I didn't necessarily know what to expect, so it was really good seeing them, and it was a shame that the camera doesn't quite pick them up, because obviously they're a lot further away than maybe me watching YouTube videos in the past or an Instagram has shown them. I expect them to be right in front of me. Did you kind of get that impression a little bit?
I did, but I also think it was made much more special by the fact that we were walking for a little while trying to look for them, and I was starting to think, oh, it's not going to happen. And then when the first one was spotted, we were like, wow, I couldn't actually believe that was right there and that it was real. And at one point I thought it almost looked too good to be true. And then I thought maybe what if it wasn't true and there's just like we've made a mistake, and then it opened it up and it started to move around. I was like, no, that is a sloth.
I was going to say, when it was moving around before that, they could have just put stuffed teddy bears in the trees or something. But no, when it was moving, there's no denying. And I did get a few clips. It might be a little bit shaky. Probably were going to be a bit shaky, but I managed to put my lens on the camera up to her telescope, so we should have some quite close-up ones in what we've just seen, and something that we can look back on as well and say, wow, we were there and we saw that.
Yeah.
So I'm going to leave a link underneath here to the tour we did. So if you're ever in Costa Rica, then obviously you can go and have a look at that. And the tour guide is absolutely lovely. She was brilliant. I really can't complain.
Shout out to Yendi.
Yeah. And then we had a little walk. I didn't realise when we first went, because got an Uber, that the university where the main walking around was, it was actually quite a short walk, like 10-15 minutes. Mm-hmm. So we actually ended up walking to the restaurant that we went to, which is just around the corner from Unity where we're staying. And the food there was incredible. We had a calzone and a burger.
Which we shared.
Which we shared because we often do that when we're travelling. We'll see something we like on the menu and we're sort of a bit stuck, so we share. Always a good way to do it. Plus, you save a bit more money rather than both having to get 2 dishes and being, falling asleep after you eat. But yeah, that was really nice, and we got to share that with our new friend, as I mentioned. And now we've just come back to Unity, and I think it's going to be a bit of a chill day for the rest of the day. So, did you want to keep the vlog going from here, or did you want to call it?
I think we'll leave it short and sweet and let you enjoy the rest of your day. So, we can say goodbye now.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll see you soon. And don't forget to look after yourself.
And our beautiful planet.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far.